Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.